Starting with a simple kitchen waste powerhouse, banana peels. Instead of tossing them out, slice your fresh banana peels into coarse, manageable chunks using a clean knife on your kitchen counter. Next, drop those chopped pieces directly into a clean glass jar. This method safely extracts vital potassium and nutrients without any unnecessary clutter. Fill the jar with water and let it steep. Over the next couple of days, you will notice the water transforming into a rich, amber-brown nutrient infusion as the goodness is drawn out. Finally, strain the liquid to remove any solid residue and pour your homemade potassium-rich fertilizer directly into the soil to give your indoor plants an instant vitality boost. Moving on to point number 2, the ultimate calcium boost using ordinary eggshells. Start with completely clean, dry eggshells resting neatly in a ceramic dish on your counter. Using a sturdy mortar and pestle, firmly grind the dry shells down. This physical breakdown is essential because it helps release the calcium carbonate so plants can actually absorb it. Keep grinding until you achieve a fine, uniform white powder. A finer texture ensures faster decomposition and nutrient availability in your potting mix. Take a small spoonful of your homemade powder and gently sprinkle it across the topsoil of your potted plants to strengthen cell walls and promote healthy new growth. Stop washing that rice down the drain and watch your indoor plants transform. That cloudy water is packed with hidden starches, vitamins, and minerals that act like an instant energy boost for your greenery. Pour the collected liquid into a clean glass jar and let it sit at room temperature for a couple of days. This short fermentation unlocks beneficial bacteria and nutrients. Once fermented, it becomes highly concentrated. Always dilute it with fresh water before application to ensure a safe, balanced feed for your root systems. Water your potted plants directly at the base with this organic boost. Regular applications will encourage lush, vibrant foliage and healthier growth. Save your onion and garlic skins instead of throwing them away. These papery outer layers are packed with valuable nutrients like potassium, calcium, and iron that your indoor plants love. Place a handful of clean dry skins into a glass jar and pour boiling water directly over them until they are completely submerged and the extraction process begins. Seal the jar and let the mixture steep for at least 24 hours. Over time, the water will transform into a rich, translucent amber brown tea loaded with natural minerals. Once cooled and strained, use this nutrient-rich organic liquid to feed your potted plants, giving them an effortless, chemical-free boost. Don't throw away your potato peels after cooking because they contain a powerhouse of starch, potassium, and phosphorus that acts as a fantastic organic tonic for your houseplants. Take a clean handful of fresh potato peels and drop them directly into a pot of water on the stove to begin the gentle boiling process. Let the peel simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water absorbs the nutrients and turns into a cloudy, mineral-rich broth. Allow the mixture to cool completely, strain out the solid peels, and pour the liquid directly into your plant soil for a natural, nutrient-boosting feed. Don't toss your used green tea leaves into the trash. Instead, collect them in a clean bowl to give your potted houseplants an easy, organic boost right from your kitchen. Next, place those collected leaves into a glass jar and pour warm water over them to begin releasing all the trapped organic compounds and gentle nutrients. Seal the jar securely and let it steep completely until the water settles into a rich, nourishing botanical extract packed with soil-friendly goodness. Finally, pour the cooled, vitamin-rich tea directly into the soil of your favorite green plants to improve moisture retention and naturally revitalize your indoor garden. Instead of letting the nutritious water from boiled vegetables go down the drain, save it. Once completely cooled, this vitamin-rich liquid becomes a mild tonic that your houseplants will love. To get started, strain your cooled vegetable water, like this liquid, from boiled potatoes and carrots into a clean glass bowl, separating it from the cooked vegetables. Next, carefully transfer the precious botanical infusion from the bowl into your dedicated mason jar, ensuring you capture every last drop of the nutrient-infused goodness before sealing it. Finally, pour the cooled vegetable water directly onto the soil of your potted plants, giving them a direct dose of minerals and micronutrients to encourage healthy growth and strong roots.